of a hamburger. By True. Yay. Woo. Okay, cool. First, the hamburger is put into the mouth. Yum. So the teeth and the tongue help with mechanical digestion, which is just kind of like initially breaking down the foods. And apparently this guy has gold teeth. Those are the teeth right there. There's the tongue. Lips. Okay, moving on. On top of that, the salivary glands, which I'm just going to make looking like that. I don't really know how they look. I feel like they would look kind of squiggly though, kind of like intestines, but in your mouth. I don't know. They release enzymes. I'm going to draw enzymes. These are enzymes, apparently, that begin the breakdown of carbohydrates. These enzymes start the breakdown of carbohydrates, and carbs come from the bread, so this would be the bun in the hamburger, so we're just going to put the bun right there.
True. Tell me how Miley is going to come up.
Sorry about that. So this is the bun, and it's going to get broken down by enzymes. So the enzymes are attacking it, breaking it down. Fun times. Okay, moving on. I had to draw the rest of the mouth because it was bothering me. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're moving on to the esophagus. And the esophagus is a muscular tube. There's the tube. I think you get where the tube is. And it transports food from the mouth to the stomach. So really, this would just transport the broken down carbs. Where are my carbs? The like weird broken down carbs to the stomach. It really has no role in, like, it doesn't digest anything or break down anything, but it transports stuff. So helpful! Exclamation point. Yay. Cool. Next is the stomach. The stomach holds food that's recently been eaten, so there's some food that's recently been eaten. It also churns food, so blue is for churning, churns it around and everything. That's really thick. Hold on. It churns food, so it's like going around and around and stuff. You get the idea. Which is also part of the mechanical digestion. And it also contains pepsin, which is going to be bright pink because Pepto-Bismol. And pepsin, they're going to be little balls in the stomach. Pepsin is an enzyme that breaks down proteins. So protein would come from the meat in the hamburger. So here's the meat in the hamburger. And pepsin is breaking it down. Woo! Yeah! So the stomach is, yay, helpful. Woot woot. Okay, now we're in the small intestine. And it is the powerhouse of the digestive system because it has a really, really important role. Basically, it produces enzymes. These enzymes are going to be red. Oh, that's really large. That's really large. That's large. Okay. Enzymes. Here are some red enzymes. Yay. And they specifically break down fats, proteins, and carbs. So we're all here. Fats can be like green, even though fats aren't green, pretty sure. And some carbs, and some protein. And these enzymes come and they break them down even further. So like they get broken down a lot, but it has to happen for digestion to work. Also, some extra enzymes come and join the party. We got enzymes from the liver, which we're gonna have purple. Yay! Party in the small intestine. And then we also have enzymes from the gallbladder, which are this nice, pretty blue color. This is really small to be happening in one place, so I'm just gonna make the small intestine smaller so that it makes more sense. You get what's happening though, I think. Yeah. Also, we got some enzymes from the pancreas. We're just having a grand old time. Oh, that's okay. This keeps happening. I'm sorry. Breaking down in the small intestine. Breaking down some carbs and fats and proteins. Yay! And then after that happened. So yeah, after that, food is absorbed into the bloodstream. So all this stuff, I guess we'll make it this color now, because it all got broken down and stuff. It goes into the bloodstream. This is the bloodstream. Sorry, it's so messy. It goes into the bloodstream. Yeah. So now we're kind of back into the small intestine, because there's more to say about it. So the food's been absorbed into the bloodstream, or like the broken down carbs and fats and what are they called, proteins. But the wall of the small intestine, which we're gonna have be that thing, that little circle right there. It has villi, which increase the surface area, so I guess it would make it kind of like move out here or something. Sorry, that's really bad. But it allows for more absorption, so like it allows for more like broken down stuff to be absorbed into the bloodstream. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to be in the liver, because we got to talk about the liver. So the liver has its main like job in digestion is to produce bile. I'm going to have bile be this ugly color. Bile. Ew. And bile breaks down fats into smaller, like, pieces, I guess, so enzymes can more easily break it up. So this happens actually before the small intestine happens and everything gets broken down and put into the bloodstream. Yeah, but food never actually passes through the liver. It's just, it has the main purpose of producing bile. So now the gallbladder. I kind of gotta go quickly now, so it's just gonna kind of look a little crazy, but you get it. You get it. Okay. So the gallbladder stores bile. That's produced in the liver. Where's my bile? Here's my bile. Ew, bile. Gross, bile. Until bile is needed, again, to break down fats. And then it puts it into the small intestine to break down the fats. Yeah, food also does not pass through the gallbladder. It just stores the bile. How fun is that? So fun. That's super, super fun. Moving on. Yay, now the large intestine, which I'm going to make green just for kicks. It's really small for some reason, even though it's the large intestine. Pretend it's bigger. Just imagination. Okay. Also, it's not green in real life. Just putting that out there. Okay, so anything that isn't absorbed in the small intestine will move over to the large intestine, which is basically the waste, I guess. And yeah, so it's now waste, and the large intestine will reabsorb water from waste. So like, say, this other green is waste. If there's any water from that waste, which will be blue, it will absorb the water, basically. Because it wants to avoid losing water. Yeah, and then it also stores waste. So, yay! Moving on. Now we're at the anus, which is going to be a nice shade of pink. Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. Now we're at the anus. Oh my god, so exciting. I bet you're excited, like me. So the anus, the anus is like, it's like the back door. It's like all the waste is gonna come out, like when you take out the okay, I'm gonna stop. At this point, digestion is complete, so all the waste that the water was like reabsorbed out of. What color was the waste? Let's just say it's this blue. Waste. The waste is gonna come out of there. Get out of there, waste. Out the anus. And that's what poop is, except your poop isn't actually blue. I don't really like this drawing here. I'm gonna put a smiley face over it to make it like more happy or something. Modern art. Okay, cool. Yay, digestion, it's complete. Whoa, that's really thick. Yeah. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time. I had a good time. Cool. Bye.